Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to start today's live class, and I hope you have solved most of the questions of previous exercise which I had given you. Siddhi has asked one question, so at first I will give the solution of that. Then I will switch to sub-multiple angles, next chapter. So in the beginning, we will be discussing important formulas. Then I will give you some solutions. Okay, and then questions I will post in virtual class. These further questions for homework. Okay, so right now I could not complete that. After some time in virtual class, you will get many questions for your assignment. So everything you don't need to do today. Today you will attempt some questions which you find they are easy, and for difficult questions we will join again tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So let us start. So I am going to share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
So you just keep silence, because if many people will talk at a time, then there will be collision of sound and it will produce noise. So if in your room fan is moving, if noise is coming, then make it silent. And if still it is uncontrolled, then I have to mute from here. I have to mute everyone's sound. So that I can't do. I don't want to do, because I want your reactions time and again. So Siddhi had asked this question. I'll zoom it further. So if tan theta equal to b by a, prove that a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta equal to a. This was your question, Siddhi?
Yes, sir.
So see, so we'll start from here. Tan theta equal to b by a. So from this tan theta, you know sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So sec theta is root under 1 plus tan square theta. So if we will go, we will get sec theta equal to root under a square plus b square by a. And from sec theta, you can easily get cos theta. Reverse a by root under a square plus b square. Then from cos theta, you find sin theta. Root under 1 minus cos square theta. So if we will work out this step by step, finally you will get sin theta equal to b upon root under a square plus b square. So you have tan theta, you have cos theta, you have sin theta. Now let us move. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. This formula we know. So here, this is square of cos theta, this is square of sin theta. You know, if we will do a square, what will you get? A will become a square, and from denominator root will be removed. This side, b square upon a square plus b square. So take LCM, it will be a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. This is cos 2 theta, means gradually we are doing. First we found cos theta, then sin theta, now cos 2 theta. In the same way, we will also find sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. The 2 into b by root under a square plus b square into a by b square plus a square plus b square. So it is 2ab by root under a square plus b square. So this is sine 2 theta. So now you have cos 2 theta here, sine 2 theta here in the ready state. What was our LHS in the question? A cos 2 theta plus b sine 2 theta. So put here a into, in bracket there is value of cos 2 theta plus b into value of sine 2 theta, which we were found earlier. Now multiply a here, a cube, and at a time take LCM also. So what is LCM? Common denominator is there, a square plus b square. Here a into a square, a cube, a into minus b square minus ab square, plus b into 2ab is 2ab square. Is it? Now from numerator, see a is in every term, so take a common. It will be a square minus b square plus 2b square. So minus b square and plus 2b square, it will become a square plus b square. Is it? A square plus b square, and a square plus b square cancelled. What is left?
A.
So this was to be proved.
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the method. You can try by another methods also. But always you try several methods. But for future you choose that method which is short and simple. So this is one my suggestion. Now let us begin. Sitish has also joined. So if he is interested, this is solution of this question here. So you can watch it later in virtual class, and you can download the paper from virtual class if you find it necessary. Now let us begin today's work. Submultiple means previous set of formulas were for multiple angles. Means for suppose A is any angle, then twice of A, thrice of A, or 4 times of A, they are called multiples of A, or maybe B, any angle. Name doesn't, it is not important. Those were formulas of multiple angles used in previous exercise. Now we are in submultiple angles. What is the meaning of submultiple? Suppose A is your original angle, then its submultiple is maybe A by 2 or A by 3 or A by 4, like this. These are called submultiples. So here I have explained one formula, and rest all I have listed below. Like you know, sine 2a equal to 2 sine a into cos a. This is formula of multiple angle. But see here, mind it, for any value of angle A. This formula is true for any value of angle A. Now what trick we apply here? If this A is replaced by A by 2, then what will happen? Sine 2 into A by 2. 2 into A by 2. What we are going to do? We are replacing wherever you see A, consider it as A by 2. So 2 into A by 2 will become A. So sine, it will be sine A. This side, 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. Means in the formula of multiple angle, replace A by A upon 2. Then you will get this new formula. Here, whole angle A, sine of angle A is split into twice of sine of angle A by 2 into cos A by 2. So this is one of the formula for submultiple angle. Similarly, we can get following list of formula. Here I have listed. details you can try. Like this first one was from above. You know, again focus on previous day's formulas. Cos 2a was, there were 1, 2, 3, 4 options. One option is cos square a minus sin a square a. Another option was 2 cos a square a minus 1 minus 2 sin a square a, and in terms of tan a, it is 1 minus tan a square a by 1 plus tan a square.
Tan square.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now, in every set of formula, replace a by a upon 2. See, here I have indicated what substitution you have to make. Then read again and write here. See, here also I have joined this formula of sin a in terms of tan a by 2. What was sin 2a in terms of tan a? Can you recall?
2 tan a by 1 plus tan square.
Yes. If a is replaced by a by 2, then it will take this form. Sin a equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan a square a by 2. Simply a is replaced by a upon 2. Now let's go back here. In cos a, first formula will read like this: cos square a by 2 minus sin a square a by 2. The second formula will read as 2 cos square a upon, see, a upon 2. This 2 is only for angle a upon 2. Cos square a upon 2 minus 1. And next 1 minus 2 sin square a upon 2. And next 1 minus tan square a by 2 upon 1 plus tan square a by 2. So this is for cos a. 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Now left side I have quoted formula of multiple angles, and right side parallel formula for multiple angles, sub-multiple angles. So you know tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus
1 minus
tan a square.
tan square.
So its sub-multiple form will be tan a equal to 2 tan a by 2 upon 1 minus tan a square a by 2.
A by 2.
Now 4 number, all are the same technique. Cot 2a equal to cot a square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Its submultiple form will be cot a equal to cot a square a by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. Now for next 4 formulas, a is replaced by a upon 3. A is replaced by
A upon 3.
a upon 3. For next 5 numbers, 6, 7 and 8 numbers. Here, see sin 3a, you know it is 3 sin a minus 4 sin q. So if a is replaced by a by 3, a by 3, 3 cancel, it will be sin a, left side.
Yes.
This side a will be replaced by a by 3. So what form it will take? Sin a equal to 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin q a by 3. In the same way, cos a will be 4, like this. Compare left and right. Left side multiple angles, right side sub multiple angles. Substitution is like this: a is replaced by a by 3. So here second formula will be cos a equal to 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. In the same way, tan a will be 3 tan a by 3 minus tan cube a by 3 upon 1 minus 3 tan square a by 3.
A by 3.
This is submultiple form of tan 3a. Last one. And last one, cot a equal to cot cube a by 3 minus 3 cot a upon 3 cot a square a by 3 minus 1. So this is the set of formulas which you have to memorize. It should be at the tip of your tongue because there are many hundreds of questions. So every time you cannot go back to the page of formula in your copy or book. So it should be on the tip of your tongue. Anytime you have to reproduce. Okay. So now.
Okay, sir.
Now I have posted some solutions. So let us see. See this question. Sin theta upon 2 is given. It is 3 by 5. You have to find sin theta, cos theta and tan theta one by one. What is given? This is not sin theta whole divided by 2. Don't confuse. It is sin of theta by 2. Here the angle is theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 is 3 by 5. Now how to solve? Sin theta by 2 is 3 by 5. So cos theta by 2 will be root under 1 minus sin square theta by 2 as usual. Means angle in place of theta there is theta by 2. So if you will calculate this, root under 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square, finally you will get 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is value of cos theta by 2. Now tan theta by 2 is sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. So 3 by 5 upon 4 by 5. 5 cancelled, it is 3 by 4. So you have sin theta by 2, you have cos theta by 2, you have tan theta by 2. 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 4. So we will use all these to find sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Let us begin. Sin theta, it is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Just now there is formula number 1. So put the value 2 into 3 by 5 into 4 by 5, it is 24 by 25. Simple. In the same way, cos theta, there are many options. So I have used one of the first options. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So value of cos theta by 2 was 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. If you will calculate, you will get 7 by 25. Now, third, tan theta. 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2.
1 tan square theta.
See, here simply you could have used tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. That can also be used because sin theta is here, cos theta is here. What I have found here from beginning using own formula, tan theta equal to 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. So put the value of tan theta wherever necessary. 2 into 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. If you will calculate, go on calculating next step here, next step here, next step here. 6 by 4 into 16 by 7, 4 4s are 16, 6 4s are 24 by 7. Is it? So in this way you can find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta from given value sin theta by 2 equal to 3 by 5. Now next solution. If cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, then what will be the value of cos 22 and a half degree? Here value answer is given here. Cos 22 and a half degree equal to 1 by 2 under square root 2 plus root. Now cos 45 degree, this is the starting point. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So consider 45 as 2 into 45 by 2. Is it? So it is in the form cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. 2 theta is 45 by 2. Cos 2 theta. Our target is cos 22 and a half. So we will not go into sine and other formula. Direct cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We will use that. So 2 cos square 45 degree by 2 minus 1 equal to 1 by root 2. So shift 1 to that side. It will be 1 will be added in right side, root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is 2 cos square 45 by 2. Now shift this 2 also gradually step by step. Cos square 45 degree by 2 will be 2 plus 1 by this 2 went here 2 root 2. And now one trick you apply, multiply root 2 and root 2 in both numerator and denominator. Now 2 root 2 into root 2 will be 4. Is it? Root 2 into root 2 is 2, into 2 is 4. Here 2 root 2 plus 1 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 1 into root 2 is root 2. Now this is cos square 45 by 2. 45 by 2 means it is 22 and a half. Is it? So cos is now from cos square, how will you get cos? So take a square root of all these things. When you will take a square root, only 4 is perfect square. So it will come out of the root as 1 by 2. And what will be left here? Root under 2 plus root. So this was to be found. Finished? So if you have confusion, again repeating video is at your choice. You can listen to my explanation again and again in virtual class. In live class, it is not possible. So now, next. So prove that tan theta by 2 equal to sin theta by cos theta. See, theta by 2 is fraction of theta. Here left side a small angle, right side double angle. So in many such cases, it is wise to start from right side. Big to small, it is easy. A small to big, it is you have to put some extra effort. So, but both way it can be done. I have chosen from right hand side. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is right hand side. So sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 is 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Why we have used this formula? Because in this way you can cancel 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. If you will use other formula, it will be difficult to cancel. Now 1 1 cancel, 2 2 cancelled, cos theta cancelled. What is left? Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That is tan theta by 2. That is LHS. Now next solution. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta equal to tan theta by 2. So this is big, means theta angle, right side there is theta by 2. So what I had told earlier, bigger to smaller. So here you have to go from LHS to RHS. Now see, I have tried to keep the solution as simple as possible. 1 plus sin theta as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus and cos theta as in bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. I have chosen this denominator 1 plus sin theta as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 plus cos theta as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So why I have chosen this formula in numerator and this formula is denominator? Because this way 1 will be cancelled both in numerator and denominator. That was our objective. Now in numerator remove bracket, minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2. Denominator no need to. 1 and 1 already got cancelled here. So here 1 and 1 cancel. Now 2 sin theta by 2 is common in numerator. 2 cos theta by 2 is common in denominator. So this whole bracket cancelled, it is same, and 2 and 2 cancel. So finally you have tan theta by 2. So this is solution. Now today's last slide. So prove that tan pi by 4 plus a by 2 equal to sec a plus tan. Here left side angle is a by 2, right side angle is a small to bigger, but here we choose from left side to right side. You can try from right to left also. There is no restriction, but this is my choice. Pi by 4 means 45 degree. Pi 180 by 4 will be tan 45 degree plus a by 2. So apply formula tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So time is running out. So tan 45, wherever there is tan 45, it is 1. So it will be 1 plus tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan a by 2. Tan a by 2 split as sin a by 2 by cos a by 2, both in numerator and denominator. Take LCM. So denominators will get cancelled. So you will be left with cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 by cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2. Here, because you know in the beginning RHS has one a, you have a by 2 everywhere. So to convert a by 2 into a, we apply this trick. Multiply both in numerator and denominator by cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2. So numerator a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Simple. A denominator a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. We apply technique of algebra. Now, you know, for any angle cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2, it is equal to 1. Because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Plus 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 is sin a. A denominator, this is cos a. Now split this fraction into two parts. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. This is sec a plus tan. This is RHS. Is it? Hey. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So I have unmuted everyone. So if your microphone is not enabled, enable it. So now in virtual class, I will post some questions also. So after 1 hour or 2 hours, you check virtual class also. So and you will find many questions. You try to solve them. How
Okay,
many
sir.
you can, you do. And if you have problem, you post in my personal WhatsApp number. I can recognize it easily, and I'll try to give solutions tomorrow. So have you enjoyed this class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Bye for today. Now I am going to stop all this. Today 4, 4, 8 and 9 students are there. Thank you very much for joining
Have you already
online class. Bye.
Bye.